So Terry, can you tell us what you're doing?
I'm cutting cabochons. Cabochons are stones that are cut and polished but not faceted. You cut them by hand on diamond-impregnated grinding wheels. The first two wheels that I use are called hard wheels. So they're steel, and there's industrial diamond that's crushed up, mixed with an adhesive, and adhered to the wheel. So you can see how they sparkle as you go. The rest of them are Diamond Nova wheels. So it's like a rubber-based wheel, and there's diamond mixed with an adhesive, and it's on like a belt. And then the belt is adhered to the wheel. So it's much softer than the steel wheels. The first one is a very coarse, very rough grit. Then after that, they start getting finer and finer and finer. And what they're doing is getting out the scratches from the previous wheel. So the last wheel is almost a pre-polish. You can't move forward until all the scratches are out, because you will see all the scratches when it's polished.
And what is this stone?
Leopard skin jasper.
Where is it from?
It comes from different